Selecting the right rugged edge AI computer is crucial for high-performance computing in extreme environments. Whether you're deploying AI-powered robotics, intelligent transportation, or industrial automation, this checklist will guide you through the key factors to consider. We'll cover key steps in narrowing down your AI PC requirements by the following: choosing the right product category, aligning with your target market and application, assessing the required level of ruggedization, evaluating key features and specifications, verifying certifications and compliance, exploring OEM/ODM customization options. Let's get started. The first criteria: identify the right product category. Premio offers a variety of rugged edge AI computing solutions, each designed for different industry needs. Here are the key categories in the product portfolio. x86 super rugged computers built for extreme conditions, delivering high-performance computing where reliability is critical. x86 semi-rugged computers, a balance of durability and flexibility, ideal for industrial automation and IoT applications. NVIDIA Jetson Rugged AI PCs, AI-powered edge computing with NVIDIA Jetson modules for real-time inferencing and analytics. Specialized edge solutions custom-built for industries requiring unique certifications or configurations. Industrial touch panel PCs and monitors, interactive, ruggedized HMI solutions for industrial applications. Industrial motherboards and SBC's scalable board-level solutions for fully custom computing applications, perfect for OEM integration. Storage servers, high-capacity storage with data redundancy for industrial environments. Selecting the right category ensures your system meets both computing and environmental demands. The second criteria: define the target market and application. Understanding your industry and application is key to choosing the best rugged AI solution. Premio's Edge AI PCs power a variety of industries, including AGV and AMR robotics, enabling autonomous vehicle control with real-time AI processing. Industrial smart manufacturing, AI-driven automation for production, engineering, and remote collaboration. Healthcare diagnostics and imaging, accelerating biomedical research and personalized medicine with AI computing. Security and surveillance, enhancing video analytics for smarter real-time monitoring. Intelligent transportation, AI-powered analytics for vehicle tracking, pedestrian detection, and traffic optimization. Smart energy, AI at the grid for real-time telemetry and analysis of energy infrastructure. Knowing your industry's specific requirements helps refine your computing solution. The third criteria: assess the required level of ruggedization. Ruggedization ensures your AI computer withstands the environmental challenges of its deployment. Premio offers different levels of ruggedization based on the conditions your system will face. Some key solutions fit into either rugged, industrial, or specialized solutions. Rugged edge solutions designed for extreme temperatures, shock, vibration, and dust exposure. Industrial edge solutions built for demanding yet controlled environments. Specialized edge solutions engineered to meet strict certification and compliance requirements. Environmental challenges like temperature range, power input, ingress protection ratings, and resistance to physical impact should all be considered to ensure durability and longevity in the harshest edge computing deployments. The fourth criteria: evaluate key features and specifications. The right hardware specifications are critical for optimal AI performance at the edge. Key considerations include processing power. Choose between x86 Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA Jetson-based solutions for AI workloads. I/O connectivity. Ensure compatibility with sensors, cameras, and industrial peripherals. Networking and wireless options, support for 5G, 4G/LTE, and Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth for seamless connectivity. Power efficiency. Low power designs for remote or mobile deployments. Form factor and size, compact or custom-built enclosures for space-constrained applications. Selecting the right specifications ensures high-speed, low-latency AI computing at the edge. The fifth criteria: verify certifications and compliance standards. Industry certifications are essential to ensure reliability and regulatory compliance. Premio's rugged edge AI computers meet strict industry standards, including UL, FCC, and CE for safety certifications, and even military standard IP ratings and electromagnetic compatibility for environmental compliance. Edge-to-cloud certifications for seamless hardware integration into cloud and AI ecosystems. Regional certifications for deployment across global markets. Verifying compliance guarantees that your system is safe, reliable, and operationally approved for your industry. The sixth and final criteria: explore OEM/ODM customization options. Not every project fits a one-size-fits-all solution. Premio's OEM and ODM services allow you to customize for the following needs: form factor modifications, custom enclosures for specific size and mounting requirements, component selection, optimized performance with tailored processing, storage, and networking, custom I/O configurations, specialized ports and connectivity for industry-specific devices, environmental testing and certification screening, robust engineering resources in electrical, mechanical, BIOS, and compliance solutions. Customization ensures your rugged AI system is purpose-built for maximum efficiency and performance. Contact us to learn more about turnkey computing design, engineering, and compliance screening. By following this checklist, you can confidently choose a rugged edge AI computer that meets your business needs, ensuring reliable, high-performance computing in any environment. Need expert guidance? Download and review our decision toolkits for examples about edge AI computing and discover how rugged edge AI PCs can be deployed for your computing demands today. For any technical guidance, contact Premio today to find the perfect AI edge computing solution for your needs.